the VZone Simply Squonk Kit. Let's have a look. Hey guys, Vick here, back with another review. Today we are looking at this, the VZone Simply Squonk Kit from VZone. A brand new budget, affordable squonking kit. Comes with this RDA, Simply Squonk RDA, and the Simply Squonk mech. Now, this is a mechanical squonk mod. It fits 21700, 2700 and 18650 batteries in it. It has a manual on-off switch, which I think is a really nice touch as well, and it's available in two colours, this sort of dark grey black plastic and an Ultimate style one as well. As you can see, the RDA is got an Ultim cap. It's got a very crazy deck that I'll show you down low, and it's a very interesting thing. Nice, soft, squishy bottle, and it's vaping a little bit like this. Not bad at all. Let's go down low, show you this up close, show you how it works, etc, etc. Then we'll come up top, talk about a bit more where you can get it, how much it is, what I think of it, pros and cons. So let's do it in that order. See you in a sec. Okay guys, here we are up close with the Simply Squonk Kit from VZone. Every single package from them apparently has one of these scratch cards, so you can scratch off and see if you've won. Scratch, you're a winner, and if you are a winner you can go to their website and enter this code into the website and it tells you what you have won. So do check out the scratch card if you do end up getting one of these. This is the packaging. This is what you get. So it's a kit, Simply Squonk Kit. You get your mod and RDA in here. Packaging looks a bit like this. So first we'll get out the mod. So we've got our manual, our mod and our RDA. Looking first at the mod, opens up like this. Like this. We've got our mod. I've seen it in this colour and I've seen it in like an Ultimate colour as well. Got our mod here. So here we go. All juiced up, all lovely, fingerprinted up. Lovely stuff. So looking around here, we've got our 510. Seems to fit up to 24mm, nice and flush, which is good. It's like a very solid, hard, sort of plasticky feel to it. You can see your battery through this groove. You've got your magnets there, which attach to the battery, and it's a very snug fit door as well. Underneath says designed by VZone. On this side, these are again just visually part of the thing. They're not actually buttons or anything like that. This is a switch. You can turn it on and off. You can lock it basically from firing if you're putting it in your pocket or whatever, which is a nice touch. Fire button here, just a very sort of mechanical feeling fire button. Opening her up, we have our tube. Now this tube takes it allows you to use 18650s in this mod. You can also use 21700 and 2700 batteries as well, but that is the tube that you can use if you want to use it with 18650s. We've then got our bottle and we're connected. You can see how the fire button works here now. Very much traditional, sort of just an L bit of copper that makes connection when you press there. So that's how that works. Turn it around. The squonk bottle's very nice actually. Nice feel to it. It works absolutely fine, the squonk bottle. One of the better squonk bottles I've found on a budget device. So if we get our battery, I'm putting mine in positive down. It is a mech ultimately, and both contacts are very similar, so I don't think it massively matters which way round, but I'm putting my 2700 in like that. You've got that little tag to help you get the battery and the bottle out as well. As I said, the door is a very nice fit. It's a very snug fit, so it does press in nicely, and it's got those additional magnets as well. So there we go. That is effectively the mech mode. VZone written along the bottom there. Moving to the RDA, opening up this little baggie, you get your spares. You get the RDA here as well. I think all the RDAs, no matter which kit you get, are this sort of ultimate style. So what we'll do is we'll attach this on and have a look at it. Again, on the bottom it does say designed by VZone. You've clearly got your squonking pin there, and we'll attach it and have a look at it. Goon size drip tip on here. Other goon tips do fit. You've got your airflow here. Now this airflow is dual coil only. It's all built in there. You can adjust the airflow. It sort of hits this ramp. I don't know if you can see that, but it sort of hits this ramp and sort of ramps past the coil in that sort of style. The actual deck is like a sort of an oblong shape, which is interesting. It does have a strange sort of shape to it, and yeah, it's got this Ultim cap, and there's no other additional caps that I have seen. VapeZone written on the side of that cap. The deck is a bit mental. What I will do is I'll flash up some pictures of the deck. It's absolutely crazy. It's got holes all over the show. What I've ended up having to do is just sort of put one through the centre side hole, and then one down the bottom left, and then on the other side down the bottom right, and I've just sort of put my coils in like that. But it does squonk very well. Juice comes up nicely into here, and it does squonk very well. A little Allen key job at the top, and cap goes on like that. Switch it to fire, and firing away. Quite the thing. Let's go up top and have a proper look at this. Okay guys, that was the Simply Squonk Kit down low from VZone. You can get along to their website to find out more. Link in the description. It's VZonesigs.com VZonesigs.com if you want to check out their site. They've got all the product information on their wholesale options if you're someone that wants to pick this up for your shop, and it is very affordable. It's going to be a very affordable kit from them. If you want to find out more about this mod, link in the description. So yeah, super affordable, available in 2 colours. It's got this hard plasticky feel to it. I think the affordability is the one thing you need to keep in mind with this. You know, it's not amazing looking, it's not super special looking, there's nothing super special about the design. It's quite a crude design, you could say, but it's rock solid, really well made, no rattle, no wobble, no issue. The squonk bottle's very good, 510's very good. I'm not detecting any serious voltage drop or anything like that either. So a very solid mod, very affordable squonk kit. You know, it's not going to pull up any trees, it's not going to be you know, super hand check friendly or anything like that, but a very solid, affordable mech squonk kit. It does some things very well, actually, in my opinion. I like that it fits 24mm RDAs on top. That's a positive. I like that it fits 21700, 2700 and 18650 batteries. That's really good. The door is fantastic. I love that it's a snug, tight fit, so there's no wobble or rattle, and it has the magnets as well. Even without those magnets, it'd be a great fit, but it's got that additional magnets in, so the door is absolutely brilliant. No issues there. The squonk bottle, on a lot of these budget squonkers, the squonk bottle is rubbish. You know, it's either too hard or too soft, or it leaks, or hard to get the cap off or anything like that. It's a really nice squonk bottle. They've done a really good job with that, and that is a fundamentally important thing with squonking that I think a lot of the budget manufacturers are overlooking at the moment. You've got to get that squonk bottle on point, and they have with this. It's a very nice squonk bottle. I really like that it has the manual on-off. I think all of these squonkers coming out of China should have that. You know, people want to, especially a mod like this, which is made for wear and tear, daily use, taking out and about. It's got to have that on-off switch. I think that's a very nice touch indeed. No issue getting the batteries in and out. That's another thing that's frustrated squonkers for a long time as well. Certain mods are really hard to get the batteries out. It has that ribbon there, so no issue there. So it does a lot of nice stuff. The negatives, though, are the deck of the RDA. It is madness. It is madness. They've just sort of randomly placed post holes all over the RDA. You can't. It's really hard to get a centered build in here. Mine is almost centered but just slightly off on both sides, and that is sort of the best I could come up with. The deck is kind of narrow. It's kind of a narrow deck, so you have to be really precise with where you put in your coils, and the holes are just in all the wrong places, and the holes aren't that big, so you can't double up your leads in a hole either. So you have to be really careful about where you place it, and it's a bit of a crazy thing to behold. So the actual deck, I think if they'd have just done 2 posts, 2 big holes, it would have been a lot easier. I think they've tried to be too clever with the deck design. The airflow, it looks bad. It looks bad. It looks weird, but actually it's not too much of a problem. So it actually vapes quite smooth. It's actually quite tasty. The other thing with the RDA is I don't want an Ultim cap. You know, I don't even want an Ultim cap as an option. The fact is you've got to use the Ultim cap and you've got no option with this. So that's a slight frustration. I think it looks silly. I think it looks better on the Ultim one, the Ultim style one, that it comes with an Ultim cap. But with this one, I would like to see a stainless steel cap instead. It does fit goon tips, which is good. The actual flavour and vapor quality of the RDA is okay. It's okay. But the actual deck is definitely a negative for me. I think the deck is silly. Beyond that though, I think you know, if you just need an out and about taking to work squonker, 2700, 21700 if you'd wish as well, I think this is really solid, a really solid, nice, easy thing. Don't forget you can take this off, put your own RDA on as well. A solid squonker, I think, from VZone. A nice effort indeed. Super affordable, not fully available out there yet to buy, but get along to the VZone site, check out their social media. I'm sure it'll be out and about, available to buy in the UK, in America, very, very soon if it isn't already. I just can't find it. And I know they have said it will be affordable. Don't forget to scratch your cards if you do get one as well. Don't forget to scratch your card. I'm a winner. Can't wait to find out what I've won up there. So that's the thing. Overall, solid budget squonker in my opinion. Not perfect by any stretch. The deck on the RDA is madness, but a solid effort. You know, I could take this to work and not worry about any harm coming to it, and it vapes absolutely fine. I've been Vaping Vic, and I'll see you again soon.